It's all in there. That's on the map. Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and this time we're in Wigan, just behind Heinz factory, which I've got here. We'll do that on a later video, but Mr. DJ Audience has already been here, so we'll move on and do a couple of the smaller places that are in the same estate. Just have a walk down the bottom end. So, unfortunately, this is my second outing here. I did this the other week, and unfortunately, I screwed the settings up on the GoPro. So I'm having to come back and just do the walkthrough again and do everything that you can see on foot. Quite windy today. We'll make our way down to a small village called Crooke Village, and we'll have a look over there. And then we're going to go around the back, hit the shortcut through the small wood. So take this route. This footpath takes us all the way over the back. You can see it in the backyard of Heinz. And all the way over to Standish in the distance, Standish Farm, which we'll be able to see off the bridge as well. There we go. Backyard. All the way up to the first holding bay, I think, right at the far end there. That's up here. Put it right at the top there. And then we've got the other distribution centre, I think this one was. Security at the bottom here on the right. And then loads of trailers. And in the distance, you can see Standish Farm. So you can get it right over there, see. You alright, bud? Right. Yeah, not so bad. So there we go. Moving on. We'll walk down at the bottom and go through the wood and come out over in Crooke Village. We have a nice look at the canal, and we'll have a walk around to the Tippler from the mining industry back in the day. And we'll make our way around the side of the canal down towards the marina. And put the drone up and have a nosy over there as well. Oh, Kestrel here. Look at that. Oh. Great seeing the wildlife here. All these little public footpath areas take you all the way down into the Douglas Valley. You can literally walk for miles. Nice quiet areas. Undisturbed. Taking some of the greenery and the wildlife. However, we do have the occasional disturbance by the off-road bikers, mainly the motocross. You get people on their bicycles coming down here. As I say, it's bridle way, public footpaths. There we go. These are the Douglas, or the Dougie, as it's known in Wigan. Quite full too. So we can see any fish. Maybe not. Right, it's moving. So it's a memorial, Nathan Christie, 6th May 91, 24th of July 2016. There we go. 4 o'clock on the clock, which is right. And he's got his own little bench there. Obviously like the area. People's gone out of the way to remember him by having a fantastic little garden at the side of the W. There you go. Anyway. We'll soon approach, just around the bend here. We'll be on the canal bank and should be able to see Crooke in. I'm sorry, it's speaking. I'm getting anything. Oh, cold. Anyway, let's just go on in. Right. Oh. There we go. All the way down there. There's the hall. Took all in there. That's on the map. Many years ago. And it's popular with our bears community. Oh, we've got bears. It's sunk there. Not noticed that. What's going on there then? Yeah, so with this one, just across the way there, as you can see, we're going to have a look in a sec. But this is the site of the memorial to the tippler, where they brought coal from the Standish mine, which was at the back, all the way across. And this is where the barges were moored. Well, not necessarily moored, but that's certainly where they were parked up. And they would offload the coal onto the barges. We're going to have a quick look around there now. Popular little spot, people walking the dogs, the second in the canal. I'm just killing a bit of time and having a few scoops in the local. Well, is it your local? I don't know. Locale. Yeah, there's Venus. Looks old, doesn't it? It's a dredger, I think. No, not necessarily. Great view. Can't see any fish anyway. So we'll just go down here. We're going to take a look at the side of the tipple, and maybe we're going to have a walk up to the top, follow the path down. You'll see a couple of the tram lines in the road, maybe somewhere. Here is some. I'll go and have a look. Oh, there you go. These are the remains, you see, still there. You see the remains there, I see. And they came from up there, all the way across to the side of the tipple. Just going to have a walk up here. Back in the day, it was very busy here, bringing the coal down from the minefields. Hit the barges, the canal was shall we say the highway of the day. It manoeuvred the coal up and down the country, feeding the power stations, even feeding the power stations in London, silly me. Certainly feeding the metal works, especially down to our right. We had one at Ince, then we were all left. Takes you over towards Gathurst and over towards Liverpool, that area. So yeah, super highway of the day. So this would be one of the routes where it came across over the far side. We did have the coal fields from Standish, which came down and over the far side there, just behind the tree line. We had a tunnel that went into the hillside. Now where the barges would go up the tunnel into a big turning circle, get filled with coal and bring it out all the way to the canal. Unfortunately, that's been blocked off, so we can't see that any longer. But there is a signpost marking the area where the council filled it, and you can still see the orange coloured waters that run from out the mine. It still flows out, but it's only like trickling now. Otherwise known as hockey water, because of the colour of the water, which I believe is the iron leaching out. turning it a rusty red colour. Yeah, so this would be the route where not necessarily this what I'm walking on, but certainly the route that the carriages would take that bring the comb out. Maybe following this tree line, I don't know. Can't go in, I'm not going to get through there, it's probably fall. But it certainly lines up at the bottom where it meets the canal. I'm just going to take that out of the tippler. See what's what. What's that then? Got old iron railings there. Maybe that is a fence line. I wonder what that was for. Snick a pint in. Done that, isn't it? Nice and quite chilled out atmosphere. So yeah, so they certainly follow that tree line. It will work its way down and meet up with the canal. Well, this is to commemorate the tippler. There we go. Put that on the screen so everybody can have a nosy. So Cook's Place name probably dates from the 10th century Norse word for coro, meaning bend. This may refer to the large bend in the River Douglas, which forms the village south boundary, which is just over that side. So the Douglas is running down the back and makes his way parallel with the canal and then takes a sharp bend to the left over that side. From the 11th century, quick part of Sherrington Manor. Nice. Here's a tippler. Bottom right corner there, that's what it originally looked like. See a couple of barges here where the guys are there decanting the, what would you say then, is a truck of coal into the barge. Nice. Right, we'll make our way down to the far side. We'll go down back of the canal and take in the marina. So the towpaths that follow the canal have recently been renovated. You It's actually nice walking underfoot now. A year or so ago, this was just cinder path if you were lucky, mainly mud. And it was quite difficult to navigate, especially when riding a bicycle. Yeah, so as I was saying, this area here, I believe this is where the tunnel came through. Anybody knows any different, please comment below, but I'm only guessing, so don't hold me to ransom. But just up at the top end there, right up here, that's where the brook joins, which I think is coming from the tunnel. The water's feeding down, comes under there and into the canal and off down here, or maybe up this way. Yeah, what a lovely area. High up. A bit of a battle going on with the ducks. Yeah, what a nice place. Okay guys, so if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, press the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications when we release new videos. Bridge 48 on Leeds Liverpool Canal.